The Square Technologies spiral oven is an efficient, hygiene and safe spiral oven. The Square Technologies double spiral oven is more compact, takes up less space, and has a larger capacity range than the linear oven. Cooking process requires precise control on the temperature and humidity. The spiral oven is equipped with sensors to monitor the temperature and humidity in real time. The temperature and humidity variation can be controlled within plus or minus 1 degree Celsius and plus or minus 1%, respectively with PID control. The temperature and humidity of the two spiral can be controlled separately. In the spiral oven, the food is evenly heated by the air flows from all directions. The spiral oven combines vertical and horizontal airflow. The hot air is evenly distributed along the width of the belt.